वर्ल्ड अचीवर अवार्ड 2024 का आयोजन किया गया। माननीय राज्यसभा सांसद राजीव शुक्ला द्वारा विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में दिए गए योगदान के लिए पुरस्कार दिए गए। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब ऑफ इंडिया में नई दिल्ली। खबर जोगिंदर डोगरा के साथ पल्लवी शर्मा, दिल्ली न्यूज़ चैनल, नई दिल्ली से।
imparting education to the weaker sections of the society, to the poor people of the society, and training.
Thank you.
PhD in sociology from Government Medical College from India. She has been involved in various national and international projects focusing on improving education and social welfare. Truly inspiring man. We are honored by your achievements here. A round of applause for her. She has received numerous awards, including Mopic Queen Award and a silver medal from the state government, with over 200 tribal songs and 150 lyrics to it. Truly inspiring, ma'am. A round of applause for ma'am.
Yes, please. So.
Next, grades 6 to 10, reflecting his commitment to digital literacy and future innovation.
Yes,
your dedication is an inspiration to us all, sir. A round of applause for Mr. Alok Kumar. Dr. Rashidul Haq is an associate professor at MAHSA University, Malaysia. He has over 28 years of experience in academics and corporate sector, with over 230 research articles, 2 books, and a specialization in strategic management, accounting, and corporate finance. He has received multiple awards 2024 for outstanding contribution in aqua yoga. He is a national and international swimming champion, pioneering in aqua yoga. He has 10 world record in aqua yoga, certified by multiple global record organizations. 2024 for outstanding contribution in field of social culture in Arunachal Pradesh. He is one of the well-known social workers of his area and also in Adi community of Arunachal Pradesh. He is known for his dedication and commitment to society.
Excuse me.
He is a visionary social leader who has worked selflessly for the cause of society. Sir, you truly are an inspiration.
Yes, please, sir.
With the Department of Town and Country Planning, Haryana. His role involves overseeing urban planning projects, ensuring sustainable development, and implementing zoning regulations to enhance the region's infrastructure and growth. Congratulations, sir, on this well-deserved recognition. A huge round of applause for Mr. Malik. Finance at Jaipuria School of Business, Ghaziabad, with over 42 years of experience. He has held significant roles at IMI, New Delhi, and other institutions. He has authored 137 research papers and received numerous awards for his contribution to finance, education, and research. A round of applause for Mr. Babu.
Sir, please. Sir, दोनों दिखाइए. Yes.
Year 2024 award. Dr. Selisha Stanley is the Pro-Chancellor at JPR University, Chennai. Under her leadership, the university has enhanced programs with cutting-edge lab, industry-related knowledge, and strategic partnerships, promoting excellence and enriching education and quality. A round of applause for ma'am. Next time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Dr. Ankur Johari is an acclaimed educationist and motivational speaker. He is the founder and CEO of AJ Consultants. He has received international accolades.
Sir.
A round of applause for Dr. Ankur Johari. Best Life Coach and Mindfulness Trainer. He is the founder and CEO of ADHES. He is a TEDx speaker, life coach, mental wellness and productivity trainer. A round of applause for Mr. Anurag. Professor of Law at University Institute of Legal Studies, Shimla. She has authored 55 research papers
Yes, ma'am.
and 4 books. She has been awarded with Best Teacher by Rotary Club Shimla. She has also served as a visiting faculty and an NSS program officer. Let us give another round. He is a chartered accountant, senior manager for analytics and digital transformation at Adam MNC. He has been profoundly affected by war's devastation and has written a book that addresses
Yes, please, sir. Please. Take.
multiple awards including Young Women Scientist Award and NGT Research Excellence Award. She has numerous publications, patents and book chapters under her credit.
Sir. Sir, please.
A round of applause for Dr. Anjuna. A round of applause for Sir.
Sir, थोड़ा सा. Yes.
In philosophy at University of Delhi. She has worked to integrate philosophical inquiry with musical theory. She has earned several prestigious awards and presented her work at various conferences. She is an accomplished performer in Hindustani classical vocal and Odissi dance.
Yes, please. Yes.
She is a professor at Tirthankar Mahavir College of Nursing. He has taught at multiple institutions. He is actively in professional association also.
Yes, please.
His contributions include numerous books, research papers and awards, such as the Emerging Writer of the Year in 2020. Vivek Kumar is an assistant professor, speech language, cognition and swearing at the Autonomous Institute of Health Sciences. He is pursuing a PhD
Sir,
in
thoda sa
alternative
straight ho
and
jaye.
augmentative communication with 6 international,
Yes, please, sir.
4 national publications,
Sir.
a patent and book chapter. He also served as editor of the International Journal of Communication Sciences. Access College, Access Institute of Higher Education offers diverse undergraduate and postgraduate programs across various fields.
Sir, please.
It is known for
Sir.
its modern facilities and industry-focused
Ma'am,
training.
look here.
It emphasizes academic excellence, holistic
सर एक तो अपना नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम काकी चिराम.
जी.
मैं बिलोंग करता हूँ अरुणाचल प्रदेश से.
जी.
स्पेशली लापरदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट.
जी. आपको जो आज अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया है कि किस विषय पे आपको अवार्ड मिला है?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मुझे सेलेक्ट किया गया है लेजेंडरी सिंगर और तेलफिल्म एक्टर, और मैं 14 से वो रेडियो में गा के आया हूँ और कमर्शियल सिंगर भी है. इस चीज़ में तेलफिल्म भी काफ़ी कर चुका है और समाज के लिए. इसीलिए मैं सबसे पहले टैक्स देना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ का जो मेंबर लोग हैं सेलेक्ट किया गए कमेटी लोग को मैं बहुत थैंक्स देना चाहता है और अपना कमेटी को सबसे थैंक्स देना चाहता हूँ. अगर कमेटी नहीं होता, मेरा गलो समाज नहीं होता, मैं अभी ये मुकाम पे नहीं आ सकता. इसीलिए मैं सबको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ. मैं अभी जो ले रहा हूँ वो अपना अरुणाचल के को और ऊंचा बनाने के लिए ले रहा हूँ.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
एक तो पहले अपना नाम बताइए आप.
यस, माय नेम इज रोटिका सो. मैं अरुणाचल प्रदेश से आई हूँ.
आपको जो आज अवार्ड मिले हैं किस विषय पे मिला आपको अवार्ड?
ये मैं मेरा सिंगिंग एंड मेरा लिरिक्स